Hi there, you're watching content we've created for you at CVC 2019 in Las Vegas. My name is Lars Sørensen, and here at Computer Vision Conference, we're talking to our delegates, the writers of papers, professors, keynote speakers, all to just give you a hint of the exciting stuff that's going on here, all on computer vision. In this next talk, we're going to dive into the research of Maricela Bravo, Professor Maricela Bravo. Currently working a full-time professor and researcher in intelligent information systems research area. Sounds exciting already. First off, let's stop. What's your experience so far at our conference?
Oh, very good, very well organized, and I'm enjoying a lot of the activities that you're sharing with us. Thank you.
Nice. You made some interesting connections because we have so many different.
Well, not yet,
research.
but sure. Any conference offers that, so sure I will.
Yeah. That's good. You've also been visiting some sessions. Did you hear something that inspired you, maybe?
Yes, I've been at the data science because I'm interested in data science, of course. And yes, I have heard a lot of things related to my research. However, I think it's a very specific topic. The one I'm talking, it's about ontologies, and I'm going to connected with data science because we have a problem combination of data science and ontology. So
explain a little bit about that. What is that problem exactly?
Yes, well, we're working with researcher profiling. We're interested in doing this discovery of information about researchers, and we want to do it on the big data. We are working with public databases, bibliographic databases. And for instance, just to know the amount of the data, the Smithsonian in 2014 said that 1.8 million articles are published by year.
Wow.
So if we want to collect all this data, all these publications, and mine the information and discover the relationships between researchers, well, we are facing a problem of big data. But my approach is worked with ontologies because I do ontology engineering. So the way we are facing this problem is by profiling. We are extracting as much data as possible from researchers. Names, affiliations, emails, social networks, and their publications, of course. Okay. So that's what we're doing.
It would suggest that we have like some privacy concerns maybe there.
Oh, sure. Yeah, well, we're using only public data from the web. Bibliographic publications are freely available. Some of them are we can get only abstracts, for instance, but nowadays there is a big trend on doing open access publishing. So that makes our work easier, but harder because we have to collect more data and process, maybe using natural language processing and doing cloud computing because we will need to do distribution of this information. So, well, that is what we're doing.
Yeah. So, and then I can imagine that you need on certain specific elements, you need the cooperation of these scientists as well. You need some form of cooperation for them to open up.
Well, the challenges that we're facing first is automatic data acquisition. That's the first challenge. The second, which we're working currently, is on the representation because we're doing a semantic representation of collaborations. But the third issue, difficult issue, is to do it without human intervention. As you know, ResearchGate is this site that helps researchers to find each other. It's a social network. But we are trying to do it without the human intervention. So validation and updating of data from researchers is a big issue for us.
Yeah. How have been the reactions so far to maybe some colleagues that you have reviewing your angle as well, your work as well?
Well, we're taking care, of course, but as I mentioned, only public data. If you're doing research, the first thing that when you do your research is that you publish and you make open to the public your information. For instance, your name, your email, and your institution, at least. So we're using that as a basic. And the next thing is that there are many possible applications of this. We can do, we can do support researchers by providing them, for instance, summaries, overviews, reviews on a given topic that they're interested in.
So very useful
of course.
output comes out of there.
Yes.
You're having your presentation later on.
Yes.
Obviously, we wish you the very best.
Thank you very much.
You'll do fine. And don't forget to enjoy it, is what we say to all our delegates here. I want to thank you so much, Maricela Bravo, for being with us. Obviously, it's always too short to talk about all these interesting things that we can learn from the paper writers and the professors, PhD students we have here. If you want to get the full grip of that, you should join us for one of our conferences. If you want to just watch some more video content, we've created a lot for you. So just press the subscribe button, or go to and click on the next video button, and we can get you up to speed on everything that's happening here at CVC. Thank you for watching.